Artificial intelligence is reshaping the global economy and every aspect of how we work. In 2025, AI tools are not just useful, they are essential. From writing content and creating marketing campaigns to automating workflows, building apps, analyzing markets, and generating video, AI enables professionals across industries to do more with less. This extended guide includes over 100 AI tools, thoroughly explained with descriptions, business use cases, and actionable suggestions for implementation. AI tools for writing and content creation have become foundational. These platforms significantly reduce the time required for ideation, drafting, editing, and formatting across all forms of digital communication. From blog posts and newsletters to scripts, reports, and social media updates, ChatGPT remains a versatile leader in natural language generation. It can generate full blog articles, write YouTube scripts, summarize research, or even respond to emails. For example, a marketer can input a prompt like, "Write a blog post introducing our new AI-powered CRM software," and ChatGPT will return a fully structured piece with a headline, subheadings, and a call to action. It is highly customizable and adaptable to brand tone when prompted appropriately, making it essential for content teams and entrepreneurs who need speed and flexibility. Jasper is designed for marketers who need conversion-focused copy. It provides templates for email sequences, Facebook ads, landing pages, and headlines that are optimized for engagement and click-through. It includes brand voice memory, which ensures consistency across campaigns. A digital agency managing several clients can use Jasper to generate targeted messaging for each niche. Copy.ai is ideal for e-commerce store owners and freelancers. It offers pre-built prompts and workflows that can rapidly generate product descriptions, social posts, and cold outreach emails. For example, a dropshipping store launching a new phone case can use Copy.ai to produce SEO-friendly titles and product bullet points in under a minute. Writesonic supports long-form content creation such as in-depth blog articles and landing pages. Its AI Article Writer 5.0 can generate SEO-optimized posts with outlines, keyword-rich content, and formatting ready for WordPress. It's especially useful for affiliate marketers and bloggers working at scale. Sudowrite is focused on creative writers. It offers features like First Draft, Rewrite, and Describe, which help authors overcome writer's block and improve narrative flow. For instance, a fiction writer can feed in a plot summary, and Sudowrite will generate possible dialogue or descriptive passages to develop the story. Grammarly Go extends Grammarly's grammar checking functionality with generative AI. It can rewrite content for tone, e.g. formal, confident, friendly, summarize paragraphs, or generate entire responses. It's integrated into browsers and email clients, making it perfect for professionals who write frequently. Notion AI brings intelligence into team workspaces. It allows users to summarize meeting notes, brainstorm ideas, autofill task lists, or generate outlines directly inside their Notion documents. A content manager could use Notion AI to generate an editorial calendar, meeting recap, and blog outline, all in the same collaborative platform. These tools serve different writing needs, but when used together strategically, they cover the entire content lifecycle, from ideation and drafting to editing and publishing. Marketing and advertising are areas where AI is having one of the biggest impacts, especially in how fast and efficiently content is created, personalized, and deployed. Okoya combines AI-generated captions, images, hashtags, and publishing schedules into one streamlined platform. A social media manager can prepare a full week's worth of posts for multiple platforms in under an hour. Okoya's analytics also help track engagement metrics and suggest posting strategies based on past performance. AdCreative.ai is a powerful platform for generating high-converting image and text ads at scale. Marketers can select their audience, brand colors, and tone, and the platform automatically creates visuals and copy. It's especially valuable for A/B testing because it can generate dozens of ad variations that are statistically optimized. Agencies managing multiple campaigns benefit from the speed and consistency. Anyword uses predictive analytics to score each piece of generated ad copy based on how likely it is to perform. It works well for PPC ads, email subject lines, and landing page headlines. A user can input a value proposition or headline, and any word will suggest alternatives with performance benchmarks. Pencil uses AI to help marketers test and iterate on video ads. It automatically analyzes previous performance and creates new variants that are likely to perform better. It's used by DTC brands to quickly refresh creative and reduce ad fatigue. Headline focuses on creating persuasive landing pages and sales funnels. The platform allows users to input product benefits, and the AI constructs page sections like hero headers, testimonials, and CTAs. This tool is ideal for startups validating product market fit or running paid traffic to a new offer. Surfer SEO helps content marketers align their writing with SEO best practices. It offers real-time suggestions on keyword density, headings, paragraph structure, and semantic terms. A content writer can paste in a draft and receive instant feedback on how to improve rankings. MarketMuse goes deeper by offering content audits, topic authority scores, and content brief generation. It helps larger teams strategize what to publish and how to outrank competitors in complex niches. It's commonly used by agencies and editorial teams that manage content across multiple domains. Copysmith offers scalable generation of product descriptions, blog introductions, and FAQ sections. It integrates with e-commerce platforms, making it ideal for sellers looking to populate hundreds of listings with high-quality content quickly. Content at Scale uses multiple AI models to generate full articles in a single pass. It's optimized for bulk publishing with SEO best practices embedded. Agencies use it to fill out long-tail keyword clusters or generate articles for link building and topical authority. Altogether, these marketing tools reduce the need for large creative teams, improve conversion rates, and allow for rapid iteration, making them essential assets in any AI-powered business stack. In video creation, Synthesia and HeyGen use digital avatars to deliver high-quality narration in multiple languages without the need for human actors or studio equipment. These platforms are ideal for corporate training, internal communications, and marketing presentations. A business can script a product tutorial and publish it in multiple languages, complete with AI presenters, within hours instead of weeks. Pictory turns long-form content like blog posts or transcripts into short, engaging videos. Its text-to-video capabilities enable marketers to repurpose written assets for YouTube, Instagram Reels, or LinkedIn. Users can select visuals, insert branding, and add voiceovers, all from a single interface. Runway ML offers advanced video generation and editing powered by machine learning. It includes features like green screen, motion tracking, and text-to-video generation. For example, a creative agency can use Runway to stylize video content or replace entire backgrounds without traditional editing tools. Descript revolutionizes audio and video editing by letting users edit media files like documents. Simply deleting or changing words in the transcript updates the actual audio-video. Podcasters can remove filler words and generate clips instantly, while YouTubers can correct spoken errors without re-recording. Lumen 5 automates the transformation of blog articles into professional videos using AI. It chooses appropriate visuals, animations, and pacing based on the script, allowing content marketers to scale video production effortlessly. Onomoto enables drag-and-drop creation of branded marketing videos. It's particularly useful for small business owners and solopreneurs who need to produce customer testimonials, promos, or event recaps quickly. V.io offers a browser-based video editor with AI features like subtitle generation, background noise removal, and text animations. It's a favorite among short-form video creators for TikTok and Instagram. InVideo provides templates and AI voiceovers that accelerate the creation of YouTube intros, ads, and explainers. It supports collaborative workflows and brand asset libraries, making it valuable for content teams. Wisecut helps automatically edit long videos by removing pauses and adding subtitles, background music, and voiceovers. It's a time saver for educational creators and coaches producing online courses. Together, these tools make video production faster, cheaper, and more accessible, transforming how businesses tell stories, teach, and market in 2025. Image and design tools such as Canva AI, Luca, and Designs.ai speed up branded content production. Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Leonardo.ai generate high-quality creative visuals for websites, marketing, or art projects. Wizard and Durable AI provide quick UX prototypes and website builders using natural language commands. For branding and identity, NameSnack and Brandmark generate logos, domain names, and branding kits. When it comes to automation, Zapier and Make.com remain cornerstones. AutoGPT, AgentGPT, and HyperWrite agents enable autonomous decision loops and multi-step goal execution. Bardeen and TaskMagic automate browser-based tasks and no-code operations. Tally and Jotform AI help build intelligent forms, while Airtable AI, Rose, and Coda AI streamline internal dashboards with smart logic. AI voice and audio solutions are rapidly improving. 11 Labs delivers near-human voice cloning for narration. Murfinplay.ht offer ready-made AI voiceovers. Whisper AI handles fast and accurate transcription. Voice.ai and Resemble.ai provide real-time voice modification and cloning. Podcasters and educators benefit from these tools for narration, multilingual content, and accessibility. Customer service is being revolutionized. Intercom AI, Chatbase, and Drift AI offer chatbots and knowledge assistants with memory and escalation rules. TDO and Crisp AI provide sales-driven AI chat experiences, while HelpHub and Zendesk AI handle support tickets, auto-replies, and summaries. For research and finance, Perplexity AI, Consensus, and Site.ai provide verifiable answers with sources. FinChat, Koifin, and QuiverQuant help investors query financial statements, track insider trades, and visualize markets. AlphaSense and Sentio are used by institutions for earnings call analysis. ChatDoc and ChatPDF extract meaning from large PDFs, while Feedly AI creates customized industry intel feeds. In development, GitHub Copilot and Replit AI assist coders with auto-completion and refactoring. Tabnine supports secure code generation. OpenDevin and Smol Developer act as AI programming agents, writing and debugging full-stack apps. Builder.io and Codium provide AI testing, and GPT Engineer translates specs into deployable software. Specialized tools emerge across categories. Tome AI helps create visually engaging presentations. Beautiful.ai and Gamma assist with sales decks. Typewise AI enhances email productivity. Superhuman AI and Missive AI boost inbox efficiency. Motion and Clockwise manage scheduling and task prioritization. Mem and Reflect offer smart note-taking and memory recall. For education and learning, tools like Tutor AI, Quillbot, and Conmigo assist students and researchers. Explain Paper and Scholarly help break down academic text. Diffit, MagicSchool.ai, and Edgeway.ai support teachers with AI lesson planning. In e-commerce, Shopify Magic powers product listing generation. CopyMonkey and Describely automate Amazon and Etsy listings. Reconvert and StoreYaw provide AI-powered upsells and ads. For fulfillment and logistics, Pathway.ai and Parcel perform demand forecasting and shipping automation. AI for HR and recruiting includes Hire Easy, Seekout, and Manitol AI, which screen resumes and outreach talent. Pymetrics and Harvard use behavioral matching. People GPT sources candidates, and Interview AI generates interview questions and scoring logic. For health and wellness, tools like Wobot, Youper, and Wysa provide AI-based mental health support. BioAge, Core.ai, and SkinVision use machine learning and diagnostics. Nutrition AI, FitGenie, and Lumen provide personalized fitness, diet, and metabolic tracking. Legal and compliance teams rely on Spellbook, Do Not Pay, and Harvey for document drafting, policy analysis, and consumer rights automation. Latch and Casetext assist with legal research. Data protection tools like SecureFrame AI monitor risk. Advanced integrations allow these tools to work together. With Zapier, Make, and APIs, businesses can create AI-driven workflows that combine content generation, outreach, customer management, task delegation, and analytics in a single automated system. AI in 2025 isn't just about productivity, it's about leverage. The entrepreneurs and investors who master tool stacking, automation logic, and creative application will dominate their markets. Pick tools that serve your core goal: reach, revenue, impact, or freedom. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed professional before making any business or financial decisions. AI Finance. Mastermind is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided in this video.